at the wrecking yard and I noticed some of the color matched mirror caps. It's not what I came for, but I'm certainly going to grab it. All you have to do to take it off is you pull the mirror all the way in, then you push up on this tab, pushes it out a little bit, and then you pull it off the rest of the way. And to show you a little bit better, I'm going to take the mirror out so you can see it look better. Pops out. Right, just so I can show you a little bit better, you push the mirror all the way in and then you lift up on the little clip and it pushes it out just enough to get your fingers underneath it. You pull it straight back. I'm going to grab the one from this side. There you go. And to pull the actual mirror out, like I said, you just pull on it. And it just pulls right off. I love the look of painted mirror end caps. So I'm definitely glad that I ran across these at the wrecking yard. There we go. Not something I necessarily was looking at upgrading, but because I ran across it at the wrecking yard, I thought, why not? I think it makes it look a little bit better.